Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Nigerians, depending your time, location. If they play the show, for those doubting Thomas, if they play the show, I told you people that I'll be giving you people all date. We are not going to work together with Nigerian soldiers. We're going to work by ourselves because so far that they have recruited Boko Haram, repentance, and joined in Nigerian military. It's not going to work. We tried it before, it failed. This time it will not fail. Nigerians, relax, sleep, enjoy your sleep. For doubting Thomas, I want you to watch. I want you to watch now. Watch this video and see. Tell me which airport is this. Tell me which flight you are seeing here. APs, everything on the floor here. Look at the floor of this airport. Tell me if it's in America or any other country or it's not Nigeria. We have come to